Well, good morning, everybody. And today we're looking at some Black Friday deals from our friends over at SoundPeats. We're going to look today at some of the SoundPeat products that I've actually reviewed in the past and that are on sale now for Black Friday, at least over on Amazon. So you guys will be able to get a little bit of information about these four pairs of, well, three earbuds and one set of headphones. We'll talk about some of the reasons that I like them, some of their features. We'll also put links down below again to the full review videos that are out there. But we are going to make sure that we give you an idea, just a basic overview of why we like these and some of the features of these four products and why we think you may like them. And really, SoundPeats, bang for a buck, probably one of the better brands out there. First up, we can see that we have all of them here. We're going to kind of push these over to the side a little bit. So first up, we have the SoundPeats Breezy. Now, these earbuds are really all about comfort and portability. They're super lightweight. With their small ergonomic design, they'll fit comfortably in your ears because they kind of clip on around here and kind of push in like this. For long listening. So if you want something to be able to listen to for hours. And despite the fact that they're really small, they pack pretty good punch in regards to sound quality, delivering a crystal clear, surprisingly, for me I found, crystal clear, well-balanced audio experience that's going to be great for just like everyday use. Whether you're, driving to work or driving to school, or you're going to the gym and working out, or, just relaxing at home, pretty good option. The Breezy also comes with an IPX4 water resistance, so they're protected against, sweat if you're at the gym, light rain if you're outside. And at an affordable Black Friday price right now, they're a fantastic option if you're looking for a great audio earbud on a budget. Next, we're going to move these off here, and we're going to look at the Air 5s. This is the Air 5s right here. These earbuds are all about delivering an enhanced audio experience. They come equipped with advanced audio drivers for a richer, more dynamic sound. You'll hear pretty much every detail, all the way from deep bass to nice highs, making them perfect for music lovers out there that want a little bit more of an immersive sound experience. Plus, the Air 5 has pretty impressive battery life, giving you up to 25 hours of playtime with a charging case. And the touch controls let you manage the music, calls, even access voice assistants without reaching for your phone. So you'll be able to keep that phone in your backpack or whatever it is. With the Black Friday deal, the Air 5 offers probably some of the best sound quality you can get without having to pay that expensive flagship type price point. So still being able to stay, at least somewhat on a budget, which is kind of nice. So for those of you that are possibly looking for a bit more of a premium sound experience, check out these. These are the, not these, these are the Air 4, but the Air 4 Pros. These come with active noise canceling, so you've probably seen ANC technology, which helps you block out background noises, making them ideal for noisy environments like public transportation, busy workplaces, or even if you're something like me, which is not a busy workplace, but I have products in the back. You want just to get out all those hums and things like that. You're traveling on a plane, whatever it is. That's a nice feature. Along with the active noise canceling, the Air 4 Pros feature what's called a transparency mode, allowing you to switch to hearing your surroundings versus blocking them all out with the ANC. The transparency mode allows you to hear all those things. So if you're in an environment that you need to be able to hear what's going on around you. They're also optimized for calls with built-in mics that make your voice sound cleaner, clearer, more natural. Black Friday is also the perfect time to grab these high-powered, they say high-powered, performance active noise canceling earbuds for a fraction of what they are regularly. So again, not bad, right? Something that we like. We like deals on our earbuds. Last but not least, I like these. I've actually been using these myself. And this is the SoundPeats Space. Now, these do come in multiple colors. So if you're in the market for a set of over-ear headphones, you want to check out the Space. These are designed for, again, an immersive listening experience with large drivers that produce deep bass, rich, full sound, perfect for movies, gaming, or just, you know, of course, your favorite music, because, you know, you like the dance, you like the techno, you like the metal, you like that thump. That's what you like. These headphones are also super comfortable for extended wear, offer an impressive battery life that lets you go days without needing to recharge. I can't remember the exact amount of time, but again, check out their website. You'll be able to figure that out. So if you are looking for an all-encompassing sound, you know, especially for use around the house, SoundPeats Space headphones are a pretty fantastic Black Friday purchase. And that's kind of the four, right? That's kind of the four. So Space, the Air 4 Pro, the Air 5s, and the Breezy. All incredible choices for different needs and budgets. With these Black Friday discounts that are out there right now, it's a pretty great time if you're looking at upgrading your headphones, your earbuds, to something a little better out there. And it may not even be for you. Maybe you're looking at buying these as a gift for somebody, and you know what? The holiday shopping, it's begun, right? So make sure that you check the links below in the description. Again, I'll put links down below to the full videos that I did on these products, and from those you can actually find the link to where you can purchase them. So make sure you check them out, especially if you're interested, before they disappear. And of course, if you found the video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, do all that other cool stuff. And that's it. Happy shopping and enjoy your new SoundPeats audio. If of course you go buy them. If not, enjoy whatever you buy, because, you know, it's always fun getting new stuff. All right, my friends, that's it for today. And happy shopping, I guess. Later.